Tomorrow night, something big is happening. 2 creators, 2 channels, 1 mission. Hit 10,000 subscribers before Christmas and shake up the hobby while we do it. And you're invited to be part of it. Stick around. Hey everybody, Merry Christmas to you. Welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. Sunday, December 7th, which is tomorrow night, as of this recording, happens to be Pearl Harbor Day as well. But at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, 7 p.m. Central Time, I will be joining Jason, Ham Radio 2.0's live stream, alongside Freddie Mac, the Ham Radio Crusader from YouTube. Jason will be hosting us to push both of our channels over the 10,000 subscriber finish line, live on air together. This is more than a live stream. This is the crossover you've been waiting for, the biggest visibility boost our channels have ever had, and a chance to prove HamShackTV viewers are the strongest community in amateur radio. We're going to talk growth, giveaways, the hobby, what's broken, what needs fixing. We'll also talk about Freddie Mac's rise and my journey, and what 2026 is going to look like in this space. If you've ever said, I want to support this channel, or I want HamShackTV to keep growing, this is exactly how you do it. Show up, be in the chat, blow up the chat, let Jason and his audience see the power of this community. Because tomorrow night isn't about content creators getting clicks. It's about proving hams lift each other up. And the next generation isn't going quietly. So set your reminder, Sunday, December 7th, tomorrow night at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, 7 p.m. Central Time, Ham Radio 2.0's live stream. You can know how to find that. I'm sure that you're already subscribed there, but if you haven't already subscribed to Jason, please go do that. Great information on Ham Radio 2.0. I'll be there. Freddie Mac will be there. Jason's hosting. Where should you be? You should be with us. You're the difference maker. Let's show the ham radio world what the community looks like. HamShackTV family, I'll see you live. 73 and good DX, AA4WX, WSCB 693.